Well, howdy, 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 and welcome to Macuahuitl Man Makes Season 3. How'd the winter treat ya? You make it through alright? For me, it was a time of great despair. But that's okay. It's only my life. Nothing important, really. Anyway, the spring is here now, and with it, the promise of a new beginning and whatnot. The seeds are sprouting and the flowers are blooming, and I might be getting a little optimistic here, but things are starting to look up, I think. So yeah. Today's video is more of a show and tell, really, as opposed to a video where, like I normally do, because I got a lot more stuff going on this year that I gotta, take care of and shit. And, yeah. Normally, I would apologize for my shitty video making skills, but if I'm being honest, I reckon that's part of my charm. Let me show you what I made. I call it a baby Macuahuitl because it's even smaller than the Macuahuitl that I made last time. As you can see, this one has a very crude copper wire inlay on it, and yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do probably nearly as much research as I should have done for doing wire inlay, but I mean, I said to myself, how hard could it possibly be to lay a wire but in? And that's what happened, of course. I took my design from this Pawnee Gunstock War Club that has a Comet on the front and some stars on the back, and I don't know if you saw, but I gave it a little atlat groove. All in all, I think it turned out not too bad for my first attempt at wire inlay and stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you today, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to give me a like and or subscribe. And yeah. Y'all take care of yourselves now. See you next time, hopefully.
Hey, Keith.